So hey babies, this is Burning Baby with another review. This time I'm going to be doing Puffballs. These are the, hold on, gotta pick it up off the floor. These are the Biba Shake It Up Free and Easy collection. And I got these in a 1B. I bought them at my local beauty supply store. They was $11.99. And it's just two regular curly puff balls. They look very natural. I blowed my hair out. Even though I already have two puff balls, I still put some in my head. But getting into them. So this was like a LMI inspired somewhat. I have seen people actually doing just the one bun. So I just went on and did two because I've never worn two puff balls that were my own. And I did want to try it. I just didn't want to put the jewelry actually in my puff ball. So I put it on my braids, and I do have it in the back as well. Like it's the same thing, like at the bottom of the braid or whatever. But so far, these are very cute. They have a nice curl pattern and all of that. But there is one thing that I don't like. Meaning, like if you do have thicker or longer hair, you will not be able to actually fit your hair up under these because it's like not enough room. If I had something to show you all just like how dense they was, like in the inside, it's like not enough room to stuff your hair in there. It's like very, very small. So it's basically like the inside of this toothpaste cap. Not exactly the same, but you getting the picture of what I'm talking about. That's not enough room to stuff no hair, especially if you have like medium length hair or almost shoulder length. It's not enough room. So I did have to stick bobby pins in there. It does come with one comb on each puff, and I stuck my comb through the side so I could pin the bobby pins inside and around. And it is hard for you to stick them through there, so you do have to like put them around the hair just to keep it from showing your hair. So yes, I braided my back up. It's like braided up just like the front is braided back, and I connected the two braids or plaits together, and I put a rubber band on them, and I swirled it, stuck a bobby pin on it, and I put the puff on there. So after I did that, I took my dread jewelry or hair jewelry, whatever you want to call it, and I put it up on there, and shit, I did them good. Okay. I did not lay my edges for this one because I felt like I didn't want to. I may do a little something tomorrow. But overall, this is a beautiful hairstyle, and I just didn't like the, you know, the not being able to stuff my hair in there. But overall, I'm glad I was still able to wear them because I was going to be very upset. So, yes. But like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, honey. And I will see you again.